Welcome to Spaceverse, your portal to cosmic adventures. We can actually measure key characteristics of a galaxy, such as its star formation rate, the number of stars it contains, its size based on its distance from us, and the typical age of its stars. In other words, we know quite a lot. The James Webb Space Telescope has just captured a groundbreaking image of Gliese 504b, a planet that challenges everything we thought we understood about the universe. With its striking pink hue, unlike anything seen before, this enigmatic world could hold secrets capable of reshaping planetary science. Join us as we explore the breathtaking mysteries hidden within Gliese 504b's swirling magenta clouds and uncover what this means for the future of planetary discovery. Located beyond Jupiter's reach, Gliese 504b is far from an ordinary gas giant. Its most eye-catching feature? Its vibrant magenta color. Scientists believe this unusual hue is due to residual heat from its formation, as the planet is still relatively young in cosmic terms, just 160 million years old, practically an infant in planetary evolution. But beneath those pink clouds lies a deeper mystery, one so profound it could change our understanding of planetary formation. Orbiting a Sun-like star, Gliese 504b is positioned at an astonishing distance, several times farther than Jupiter is from our Sun. This unexpected placement has left astronomers puzzled, as giant planets like this typically don't form so far from their host stars. Its existence is forcing scientists to rethink some of their fundamental theories about planetary formation. So why should you care about Gliese 504b? Well, it's not just another pretty pink planet. It's a cosmic rule breaker. Most gas giants form closer to their stars, where there's plenty of material to build them up. But Gliese 504b? It's way out in the cosmic wilderness, defying the usual playbook. Some scientists think it may have formed through disk instability, a process where instead of slowly gathering material over time, the planet might have just clumped together all at once. If that's true, it's a huge deal because it suggests planets can form in ways we've barely begun to explore. Before the James Webb Space Telescope, capturing a clear image of a planet like this was next to impossible. Stars are ridiculously bright compared to their planets, like trying to spot a firefly next to a lighthouse. But Webb's cutting-edge infrared cameras slice through the glare, revealing planets in jaw-dropping detail. With Gliese 504b, Webb didn't just capture its vibrant pink glow, it also picked up signs of methane and water vapor in its atmosphere. That might not sound thrilling at first, but it's a treasure trove of clues about the planet's history and what's happening inside those swirling magenta clouds. And Gliese 504b is just one of thousands of bizarre exoplanets we've found. Some are hellish infernos, others could potentially harbor life, and a few are just downright weird. Take WASP 12b, it's so dark it absorbs nearly all the light that hits it, earning it the nickname the Black Planet. Then there's Proxima Centauri b, an Earth-sized world hanging out in the habitable zone, raising hopes for liquid water. And let's not forget TOI 700d, an Earth-like planet 100 light-years away that's got scientists buzzing about the possibility of alien life. Space is packed with mind-blowing worlds that challenge everything we thought we knew. Imagine a planet where it rains glass sideways, that's HD 18933b, with winds blowing at thousands of miles per hour. Or WASP 76b, where it's so hot that iron vaporizes and then rains down on the night side. If you think that's wild, check out J1407b, a planet with rings 200 times bigger than Saturn's. Living on a moon orbiting that monster would give you a sky view straight out of science fiction. Some exoplanets even push the boundaries of what we thought was scientifically possible. LTT 9779b, for example, is an ultra-hot Neptune wrapped in metallic clouds, so reflective it acts like a cosmic mirror, bouncing back 80% of its star's light. And then there's Kepler-10c, a mega-Earth so dense and massive it weighs in at 17 times the mass of our planet. For all the strange and fascinating worlds we've discovered, the biggest question still lingers: are we alone? Gliese 504b probably isn't the best place to look. It's too young and drifts too far from its star to support the conditions we believe are necessary for life. But planets like TOI 700d and Proxima Centauri b? Now those have scientists on high alert. Finding life isn't just about locating a planet in the habitable zone. It takes the right mix of chemicals, a stable climate, and most crucially, liquid water. Even if we find a world with all those factors, detecting actual signs of life from light years away is no small task. That's where telescopes like James Webb come in, scanning distant atmospheres for traces of oxygen, methane, or other telltale signs of biology. One of the most promising candidates out there is Kepler 452b, often dubbed Earth's cousin. It's slightly larger than our planet and sits comfortably in its star's habitable zone. What's even more exciting? Its sun-like star has a lifespan billions of years longer than our own, giving life plenty of time to evolve if it exists there. And we don't have to look light years away to find potential alien oceans. Right here in our solar system, Jupiter's icy moon Europa holds a vast, hidden sea beneath its frozen crust, one that just might be teeming with microbial life. But this is just the beginning. With James Webb, scientists are gearing up to take a deeper dive into Gliese 504b and other exoplanets, hoping to uncover how they formed, what's in their atmospheres, and whether any of them might have moons capable of hosting life. The search is set to go even further with future missions. NASA's Habitable Worlds Observatory could soon allow us to directly image Earth-like planets in the habitable zones of nearby stars. Meanwhile, the European Space Agency's Ariel mission is preparing to analyze the atmospheres of hundreds of exoplanets, unlocking their chemical secrets. With every new discovery, we realize just how much more there is to learn. Worlds of fire, ice, and iron rain challenge everything we thought we knew about planetary science. But if one thing is certain, it's that the universe is full of surprises. Planets like Gliese 504b remind us that the cosmos is still a mystery, and each breakthrough brings us closer to answers that could reshape our understanding of life itself. Some scientists predict that within the next few decades, we'll have the technology to detect alien biosignatures or even find life beyond Earth. Until then, we keep looking, keep exploring, and keep uncovering the strange and beautiful wonders of the universe. Hey, did you hear about the latest from the James Webb Space Telescope? It's making waves again with some mind-blowing discoveries, and this one is a big deal. Scientists just captured what's being called the clearest image yet of an exoplanet, Gliese 504b, and it's shaking up what we thought we knew about planetary science. This isn't just another cool space snapshot, it's a game changer. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible, but stay tuned because this one's worth the hype. Back in 2016, astronomers initially thought Gliese 504b was a brown dwarf because of its massive size. But turns out it's just a bit too small for that classification, though small is relative. This planet is no lightweight. It's 1.2 times wider than Jupiter and more than 12 times its mass. If planets could flex, this one would be showing off. One of the wildest things about Gliese 504b. It's auroras. But these aren't like the northern lights on Earth. These are next level, possibly driven by an incredibly strong magnetic field. Scientists suspect that a nearby moon or another planet might be stirring up these breathtaking light shows. And if you think that's intense, wait until you hear about WASP 76b, a literal nightmare planet. Imagine a world where it rains molten iron. Yes, you heard that right. On its day side, temperatures soar to around 4,300 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to turn metal into vapor. Then when the winds carry it to the cooler night side, that vapor condenses and falls as liquid iron. Talk about extreme weather. WASP 76b is slightly larger than Jupiter and orbits a star 640 light-years away. It's so ridiculously close to its sun, 10 times closer than Mercury is to ours, that one side is permanently scorched in daylight, while the other is locked in eternal darkness. If that doesn't sound like something out of a sci-fi horror movie, I don't know what does. But why does any of this matter? The universe is packed with exoplanets, some eerily similar to Earth and possibly habitable, others that defy imagination. Every new discovery pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible, proving just how little we truly understand about the cosmos. The James Webb Telescope is like a time machine, capturing light that's been traveling for over 13 billion years. It's giving us a front-row seat to the universe's earliest days, revealing details that were once invisible to us. Because the universe is expanding, Webb detects light that has been stretched over time, allowing us to peer back almost to the Big Bang itself. Think of it like zooming in on a picture that keeps revealing more and more secrets the closer you look. The James Webb Space Telescope is rewriting the cosmic rulebook, and it's throwing some serious curveballs at one of the biggest theories out there, the Big Bang. Here's one of the wildest surprises. Webb has spotted gigantic galaxies that seem to have formed way earlier than they should have. Imagine walking into a nursery and seeing a fully grown adult. It just doesn't make sense. If these galaxies are as ancient and massive as they appear, our entire timeline of the universe's evolution might need a serious rethink. Scientists are baffled. Even astrophysicists like Neil deGrasse Tyson have pointed out that Webb's discoveries could shake the foundations of the Big Bang theory. One intriguing idea: black holes from a previous universe might have played a role in creating ours. Yeah, let that sink in for a second. Of course, researchers aren't ready to rewrite textbooks just yet. More data is needed to confirm whether these galaxies are truly as massive and old as they seem. Could there be errors in the measurements? Maybe. Or could hidden supermassive black holes be distorting the data? That's also a real possibility. What looks like stars in these early galaxies might actually be dense clouds of dust and gas collapsing under gravity. To get to the bottom of this, scientists are using spectroscopy, a method that breaks down light to reveal an object's age and chemical composition. If these galaxies really are as huge as they appear, it would mean our current understanding of the universe needs a major upgrade. Right now, the leading model of the cosmos, called lambda-cold dark matter, explains how the universe evolved by mixing dark matter and ordinary matter, forming stars and galaxies over time. But if these ancient galaxies are real, it's like the universe hit the fast-forward button, skipping crucial steps in its formation. One researcher crunched the numbers and came to a mind-blowing conclusion. For these massive galaxies to exist so early, nearly every atom in the universe would have had to become part of a star. That's like using every single ingredient in your kitchen just to bake one cake. Pretty extreme, right? Other scientists are looking at different possibilities, like the idea that dark energy behaved differently in the early universe. This theory, known as early dark energy, could help explain how these galaxies formed so fast. Then there are the smaller, scrappy galaxies, like one spotted just 500 million years after the Big Bang. Thanks to gravitational lensing, where massive objects bend and magnify light, we're able to see it. Despite its tiny size, this galaxy is producing stars at an incredible rate, dozens of times faster than anything nearby. Could this same starburst frenzy be responsible for the bigger galaxies too? Maybe. But for now, the universe is keeping its secrets. And the deeper we look, the more surprises it throws our way. The James Webb Space Telescope isn't just snapping incredible space photos, it's rewriting the rulebook on how we understand the universe. From challenging long-held theories about the Big Bang to uncovering planets with iron rain and extreme temperatures, and even capturing dazzling auroras on distant worlds, Webb is proving just how much we still have to learn. So, what's next? With each new discovery, we're peeling back layers of the cosmos, revealing secrets we never even knew to look for. The universe is packed with surprises, and we're only scratching the surface of its mysteries. Speaking of surprises, let's talk about a recent discovery that has the scientific community buzzing, Gliese 504b. This exoplanet, located 57 light-years from Earth, is a true cosmic giant, about 4 times the size of Jupiter. That alone makes it a standout, but what really makes it special is its striking appearance and unusual properties. Thanks to Webb's cutting-edge technology, we're now seeing this planet in an entirely new light, literally. Gliese 504b isn't just another gas giant, it's a mesmerizing pink-hued world that looks straight out of science fiction. Its unique color has even earned it the nickname Cosmic Pink Flamingo. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we now have the clearest image of this planet ever captured. Earlier observations left much to the imagination, but this latest view reveals its swirling clouds of gas and dust in stunning detail. Scientists are eager to analyze its atmosphere. Does it primarily consist of hydrogen and helium, or could it contain something even more exotic? The answers could redefine our understanding of planetary formation. This discovery is a game-changer. While astronomers have known about Gliese 504b since 2013, the lack of detailed data kept many of its secrets hidden. But with Webb's advanced capabilities, we're finally peeling back the layers, challenging old theories, and uncovering new insights into how giant planets form and evolve. Space is full of surprises, and this is just another reminder of how much we still have to learn. One of the most intriguing aspects of Gliese 504b is its temperature. At around 800 degrees Fahrenheit or 427 degrees Celsius, it's scorching by human standards, but for a young gas giant, it's surprisingly cool. Scientists are wondering how a planet of this size could lose heat so quickly. Some believe its striking pink glow might hold the key, shedding light on how heat interacts with a planet's atmosphere and affects its appearance. Then there's its orbit. Gliese 504b sits about 43 astronomical units from its star, meaning it's farther out than Neptune is from the Sun. This raises a fascinating question. Did the planet form at this distant location, or was it pushed outward by gravitational forces? Understanding its journey could help scientists unlock the secrets behind planetary system formation and the chaotic forces that shape them. While Gliese 504b is making waves, it's just one chapter in the incredible story the James Webb Space Telescope is helping to unfold. Webb isn't just about capturing breathtaking images, it's a powerhouse of discovery, peeling back the layers of the cosmos like never before. Scientists are using it to peer into galaxies that formed mere hundreds of millions of years after the Big Bang, analyze the atmospheres of distant exoplanets for signs of life, and explore the enigmatic depths of black holes and nebulae, revealing details that were once far beyond our reach. The hunt for alien life is one of the most thrilling frontiers of space exploration, and JWST is at the heart of it. By studying planets like Gliese 504b, researchers are refining the techniques and technology needed to identify life-friendly worlds. While this particular planet is a fiery gas giant, it's helping lay the groundwork for future discoveries, perhaps even the detection of an Earth-like world that isn't just habitable, but truly inhabited. And that's it. From galaxies that challenge the Big Bang to mysterious pink planets like Gliese 504b, the James Webb Space Telescope is rewriting what we thought we knew. What new discoveries await? Stick with Spaceverse as we explore the cosmos together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep looking up.